Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a Grand Design reflection, and I'm down here with my wife Ashley. She says, hey, did you spot some cracks in the frame? And here's an example of that. I believe there's some more either further back or up here as well. And this is my wife, Ashley. And so she's like, hey, don't do that. But that's the gist of what we're looking for. So this unit came in to have us do some decal replacements, and the decal replacements, instead of just purchasing decals, we actually took them all off because they were all sun damaged. The owner started to do it himself, and we painted all of these decals up top on, except for the reflection, which is still sun damaged, but those have all been painted back on. While it was here, as a courtesy, we were like, hey, let's check out your frame. And so when he dropped off and came in, I just popped underneath there. Sometimes you can luck out and you can see those. This unit sets a lot higher than most. And so, yep. Here's the other one over here on this side, Ash.
Yeah, I found two more over here.
Okay, so you can see the crack in the I-beam there. Now this is something, and then there's two on this side that I see no problem. There may be a third. And so there you go. So now let's say you see this and you think, oh, Dustin, that's so small, I'm not worried about it. Well, this will spread, and as you see all the different directions that it's going in, down, up, left, right, all over, it's going to continue. So these cracks can actually get really bad. Typically, you'll either find them, down low like that, or they can be anywhere up in the I-beam area. But a lot of times we'll find them in the hangers. And then also these hangers don't have the V-braces in them. So we're gonna submit to do that. Now the back hangers are different styles, so the V-braces won't be put in the back, but at least we'll get one in the front, in the center of it for them. And this one looks like it's already been repaired at one time. See how that's off shifted over there? Let me go look at the other side and see. Hey, Ash, I think the front hanger on this one might have Zach look at it because it's got the different triangular hangers. So the only one that could use the V-brace would be the ones in the middle. But the front hanger looks like it's been cut off and re-welded back on, and it looks like it's been scooted forward. So the two cracks are right there in the center. And so she's out here taking her pictures and getting all the information off the unit so we can turn it into Grand Design. And they've been taking care of all these. So again, there's a lot of stuff that's been going on in our industry. No, this one over here is the same way. So I think what they did was they beefed it up with the plate. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Also, he's got a Dexter, the older Dexter Easy Flex, which is fine. It's just discolored, but he hasn't been maintaining it. And you can see that all the shackle links are all the thin version. And I can tell just by the way that it's sitting and the spacing of those joints that the bushings are going bad as well. So you can see from all that flared stuff in the back, it's pushing the grease up out of it. So that's just a sign that it's moving. And then you can see by the nuts itself. So anyways, well, and that's typical. He's probably never had the bushings replaced. This is a 2019, but it was produced in 2018. So depending on how much traveling they have had, it's time to go ahead and do that. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. Dustin, your RV specialist.